Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What does the future of artificial intelligence hold, and how can we ensure it benefits humanity? At the India AI Impact Summit 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi outlined a nuanced approach to AI, presenting a roadmap called MANAV, which stands for Moral and Ethical Systems, Accountable Governance, National Sovereignty, Accessible and Inclusive AI, and Valid and Legitimate Systems. The National Education Policy 2020 prioritizes digital and AI literacy, integrating computational thinking and AI concepts across educational levels to foster a culture of innovation. This topic is relevant for the science and technology section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of AI, education policy, and governance. Key takeaways: MANAV Roadmap for AI. National Education Policy 2020. Importance of digital and AI literacy. Is the culture of freebies in India a boon or a bane for the country's economic development? The Supreme Court has slammed the freebies culture, stating that it hampers the country's economic development and that states should work to open avenues for employment instead of distributing freebies. The court's remarks came in response to the Tamil Nadu Power Distribution Corporation Ltd's plea to provide free electricity to all consumers, regardless of their financial status. This topic is relevant for the polity and governance section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of economic development, state policies, and Supreme Court judgments. Key takeaways: Supreme Court stance on freebies culture. Importance of employment avenues. Tamil Nadu Power Distribution Corporation Ltd's plea. What is the latest development in India's Gaganyaan mission? The Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, has conducted a successful qualification-level load test of the drogue parachute for the Gaganyaan program in Chandigarh. The test demonstrates the country's expertise in designing and manufacturing high-strength ribbon parachutes, and is a significant step towards the success of the Gaganyaan mission. This topic is relevant for the science and technology section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of space technology and defense research. Key takeaways: successful qualification level load test of drogue parachute. Gaganyaan mission update. DRDO's expertise in parachute design. What are the consequences of soil health degradation in India, and what initiatives are being taken to address this issue? The Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations, ICRIA, has released a report on soil health degradation in India, highlighting the need for sustainable agricultural practices and government initiatives to promote soil health. The government has launched schemes such as the Soil Health Card Scheme, PM Pranam Scheme, and Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana to promote soil health and sustainable agriculture. This topic is relevant for the environment and ecology section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of soil conservation, sustainable agriculture, and government initiatives. Key takeaways: soil health degradation in India. Government initiatives for soil health. Importance of sustainable agriculture. How can the global community address the evolving maritime challenges and ensure a safer and more secure future? Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh has called upon the international community to effectively tackle the evolving complex and interconnected challenges at sea, while acting in the spirit of mutual respect and give and take. The exercise Milan, organized by the Indian Navy, aims to reinforce cooperative maritime engagement, collective security, and a rule-based maritime order. This topic is relevant for the security and defense section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of maritime security, international cooperation, and defense diplomacy. Key takeaways: evolving maritime challenges. Importance of international cooperation. Exercise Milan. What is a Vibrant Village program, and how will it benefit the border villages in India? The center is set to launch the second phase of the Vibrant Village program, VVP, which aims to bring 1,954 strategic villages along the land borders with Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar under a development scheme. The program aims to ensure assimilation of the border population with the nation, create better living conditions, and provide adequate livelihood opportunities, while also promoting a sense of shared responsibility in border management. This topic is relevant for the general section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of border management, rural development, and government schemes. Key takeaways: Vibrant Village Program, Border Village Development, Government Initiatives for Rural Development. What are the implications of Tehran's re-entry into the global geopolitical spotlight, and how will it affect international relations? The United States, under President Donald Trump, has reinitiated diplomatic efforts with Iran, seeking a new deal to replace the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, that was negotiated during the Obama administration. The development comes after the US exited the JCPOA in 2018 and has significant implications for international relations, particularly in the context of West Asia and the global non-proliferation regime. This topic is relevant for the international relations section of competitive exams, specifically under the themes of nuclear diplomacy, West Asian geopolitics, and US-Iran relations. Key takeaways: US-Iran diplomatic efforts, JCPOA and its implications, West Asian geopolitics. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.